7, 8, 9, 10. Coming, Dan. Ready or not? Now, where are you? No, not there. Aha! I spy an ear. Found you, Dan. Your ears were sticking out.
Oh, silly ears. Your turn to hide. 1, 2, 3. Come in, ready up. I see you, Miffy. That was too easy.
Oh, well, there aren't many places to hide. Oh, I know. Let's play outside.
Yes, good idea.
Come on.
Where are you two off to? It's lunchtime.
But we're going outside to play hide and seek.
I know. Why don't I bundle this lot into a picnic? And then you can go outside and have lunch.
Yay!
Oh, goody.
Picnic.
I love picnics.
Thanks, Mummy. 8, 9, 10. Coming, Dan. Ready or not? Where could Dan be? Behind a bush?
Or behind a tree.
Found you!
Oh, you're too good at this, Miffy. Shall we stop for our picnic now?
Good idea. That looks like a good spot.
There. Right. Sandwiches. Ooh, carrot sticks.
Oh, yummy. I'm hungry.
Hmm?
Can I smell sandwiches? Yes, Grunty. Come and join us.
There's lots for everyone.
Oh, yes, please. Ooh, bless you. Have you got a cold?
No. It's my hay fever. I sometimes get it when I'm near flowers.
Oh. Well, we can't have our picnic here then. We'll have to find somewhere else. Okay. Right, let's go, this way. No flowers over here. Achoo! That's where I was thinking of. No flowers. Good choice, Grunty. Wait, do trees make you sneeze, Dan?
Not so far.
Good. There.
Sandwiches.
Thank you.
Yummy.
Ah, there you are. I've been looking everywhere. Hello, Melanie.
Do you want a sandwich?
Oh, thank you. There's lots to go round. Oh!
Huh?
Oh. And lots of apples too. Hey, we're trying to have a picnic down here. Oh. Oh! Hey! Stop that!
Well, they were here first, Grunty.
We should find somewhere else.
Somewhere with no flowers.
And birds.
I know just the spot. Follow me.
Come on, everyone.
Okay.
Grunty!
Oh.
Coming!
The playhouse.
Oh, of course.
No flowers.
No birds. It's perfect. Come on, everyone.
Ah.
Oh!
Only me! Just doing a quick repair on the playhouse. Ooh, are you having a picnic? Lovely.
It's very noisy. We can't stay here. I'm getting a headache. We need to find
Rain.
Oh, I know the perfect place. This way, quick, follow me. Coming.
Wait, Miffy.
Not the best weather for a picnic. Oh. Right. They've gone.
Oh, quickly!
Come on, Grundy. You were right, Miffy. This is the perfect place for a picnic. No flowers,
No birds.
no banging.
And no rain. The only thing it's not good for is hide and seek.
I see you came in out of the rain. All of you. Goodness me.
Yes, everyone wanted to join our picnic.
So I see. Well, it's just as well you came back. I forgot to pack you any pudding.
Don't worry. The birds gave us some. Yay, Grundy! Well done, Grundy.